As we are getting into the brand new week, our attention is going to be turned towards some bitterly cold temperatures. I do think Wednesday is going to be the coldest day of this upcoming week. Let's talk about wind chills getting you out the door. This is for Wednesday morning. Check out some of these numbers. Gaylord near -18, Detour Village -21. We even have the Sioux near -25. So it is going to be a cold next few mornings and just next few days. That's really going to be our main weather story as we are going throughout this week. There was a big winter storm off to our south over the past few days back towards the Ohio River Valley, and now we're still seeing some of that snow areas right near Washington, D.C. So if your travels do take you towards this part of the country, you might run into some slowdowns. For us, it's just some very light snow showers, just a few flurries, at least throughout the rest of the evening. We could talk about maybe a few more good lake effect bands coming off of Lake Michigan by tomorrow. Let's go ahead and show you this future view the rest of the evening past midnight tonight. Again, our snow chances leading up to Tuesday morning, not looking too impressive. Watch what happens, though. This will be later into Tuesday afternoon. By the evening, we do start to add back a little bit more in the way of some snow chances right there near Grand Traverse Bay, and then going just a little bit farther south, two areas again right near the immediate Lake Michigan shoreline as you're going west of 131. So these will be some areas we do have to watch if you're in that sweet spot where we do see a few of these bands setting up shop. We easily could talk about a few inches locally, but notice as you're going farther east of I-75, again, we're really not talking about much in the way of any snow chances. It's really going to be localized areas closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline later tomorrow, and then again as we're getting into very early Wednesday morning. So let's go ahead and talk about the amounts and what we're talking about with those trends, where you do see some of those darker blues highlighting areas right near the immediate lakeshore. Traverse City, Manistee, Ludington got a few areas to watch. Again, it's not going to be a big blockbuster storm, but we easily could talk about a few more inches from now until we're getting into early Wednesday morning. Let's talk numbers out there right now. I think, again, this is our big story for most of the week. It's cold. Pickford, you're talking about numbers 21 degrees. Cadillac 20 degrees, and the winds not too strong at the moment. West-northwest right there at about 3 miles per hour. So let's talk numbers past midnight tonight. These are just going to be actual air temperatures, not even factoring in the wind chill. We got the Sioux near 3 tonight, the Straits back near 16, Sheboygan, same deal, right there near 16 degrees. Western lower, there it is, your fair share of some teens tonight, some low 20s as you're going closer to the immediate lakeshore with the breeze still coming out of the north. So a lot of feels like numbers by tomorrow morning, still going to be close to zero. There it is, eastern lower for tonight, 13 to 15, looking pretty good as we get you into a Tuesday morning. Central lower, again, a few flurries, and we'll have to watch areas closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline. There could be a few good bands of some snow as we get towards this time tomorrow. Numbers for tonight for a lot of us, again, back into the teens, and it's not getting much warmer. High numbers for tomorrow, only back in the low to even some mid-20s at best, but the winds are going to make it feel even colder than that. Overnight lows, there it is, Adam, into the next 7 days. Some of us trending well below zero Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and then a drier stretch as we're rounding out the week. Next Sunday and a Monday, another chance for some snow.
Put on more layers. All right, thanks a lot, John.